Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a car spawner in Roblox Studio. In order to do this, we will be using this link. You can find this link in the description below. And then when we're here, we're going to click on Try in Studio and we'll have this pop up. Go ahead and click on Open. Then we'll be taken to Roblox Studio and we'll find ourselves here. Click on OK. If there is a duplicate, you can delete one, position it here. And then next on the categories, we're going to choose a vehicle. We're going to go with this one, so click and drag it over here. We're going to go over here, click on Scale, make it a bit bigger, click on Select again. Then next, we're going to do something to the car by moving it over to server storage. We're going to click and move the car to server storage, and this will make the car disappear, but not to worry because that is expected. So we've put the car in server storage and it's located here, even though we're not seeing it right here. Then we're going to go back up to where we have spawner, click on the drop down, click on screen drop down, and then spawn drop down again. And then we're going to click on the drop down for a frame, click on the text button. And here we have button script 1. Double click on it. So the next thing we're going to do right here is to come over to this second line where you have mode equals to game.serverstorage.test. Now we're going to change the test to the name of the car. Now the name of the car is car as we had it before. Maybe you didn't notice it, but we moved car from under spawner to server storage. You can see car there. So we're going to rename it to car just the way it is. And after renaming it, we're going to try it out. So we're going to click on play. And then we're going to click on spawn the car. Press E. And as you can see, that worked perfectly. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.